Welcome students. Today we are solving the exercise 4.4. Now exercise is start. In first questions is find the natures of root of the following quadratic equations. If real roots exist, find them. Okay. So firstly we have to learn थ्री कंडीशंस. ओके, जब भी नेचर्स ऑफ रूट की बात करेंगे फाइंड करने की, सो हमें कंडीशंस ऑफ टी मीन्स डिस्क्रिमिनेंट पता होना चाहिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही नेचर्स ऑफ रूट बताएंगे. सो हियर थ्री कंडीशंस आर कंपल्सरी फॉर फाइंडिंग द रूट्स बाय नेचर. ओके, सो फर्स्टली आई वांट टू टेल discriminant, the formula of discriminant is equal to d for discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, and you know ABC is the comparing the value of given equations. Okay, now here, now question number 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 5. When we compare this equation from a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, so we have to find value of a is equal to 2 and value of b is equal to minus 3 and value of c is equal to 5. Okay, so firstly I want to tell natures of root by the value of d means discriminant. So here when the value of d is less than a value of d means d, this is d. So when d is greater than 0 means all values comes in positive. यदि कोई सभी values d की solve करने पर positive आती हैं तो nature of root is real. Okay, if d is less than 0 it means सारी values solve करने पर minus में आती हैं, so they have not real roots. If d की value suppose 0 ही आती है when d is equal to 0, then we can see that the roots of given equations are equal. Okay, so these are three conditions which we use to find the nature of root to a given equations. Okay, so here first question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. First of all we have to compare the equations, given equations by a quadratic equations. So we are finding the value of ABC. After that putting the equations b square minus 4ac and we got the value. If value is positive then we can say roots are real. If value is negative then we can say roots are not real. If value of d is equal to 0, and in this case we can say the value of roots be equal. Okay, now put the value of ABC in given equations b square minus 4ac, so we have find minus 31, so we can say easily there is no real root possible. Okay, now question number 2, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4. Again firstly we are find the value of ABC and put the formula and get the value of d. It is here 0, so we can say in this case roots are equal to each other. Okay, now question number 3 is your homework. Okay, this is your homework, you have to solve. This is your homework, you have to solve your own. Okay, this value is in d, value of d is equal to 12, so we can say roots are real. Okay, question 3 is your homework. Now second question number 2. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Means k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है जब रूट्स कैसे हैं, इक्वल है. इट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ d is equal to 0. And what is d? d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now firstly we are given that we can say, firstly we have to find the value of ABC. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to K, and C is equal to 3. Here the value of D is equal to 0. So put the value of in this equations and taking B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. So we can find easily K square is equal to 24. K is equal to 24, and the value of K is equal to square root of plus minus 24. Either we can say plus minus 2 root 6. Okay, this is the value of K. In second question, firstly we have to make quadratic equations by solving, and after that comparing the equations from the quadratic equations. So we get E is equal to K, B is equal to minus 2K, and C is equal to 6. After that putting the value of discriminant, so we get 4K square minus 24 is equal to 0, because in the questions is given that D is equal to 0. The roots are equal. And solve for K. So we got the value of A is equal to 0 and 6. Okay, this is the value of K. Now question number 3. It is possible to design a rectangular mango groups whose length is twice the breadth. Firstly we are getting breadth be x, either we can take L, and length will be twice, means 2x. Okay, area of mango groups are rectangle, so area is equal to length into breadth, L into B. Okay, so we got easily area of mango groups be 2L square. But here give the area is 800. Find the length and breadth. So according to our lighting method we get area is equal to 12 square, but according to questions 12 is equal to 800. Now solve for L. So we can say L square, we get L square minus 400 is equal to 0. Again here we can write easily L square minus 20 square. Here make a identity, so we can write A plus B and A minus B, and they are equal to 0. So firstly we are getting L is equal to minus 20 and plus 20. Okay, so this is the value of L. Now we can say L is equal to plus minus 20. So breadth is equal to 20 and length will be twice, means 40. Okay, these are our length and breadth. Now question number 4. Is the following situations possible? If so, determine their present age. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago the product of their ages is in years was 48. Is this possible? We can check. Suppose the age of one friend be x and second friend will be 20 minus x. Why? Because here the sum of two friends ages be 20. यदि एक x का है तो दूसरा 20 में से उतना कम होगा, लेस होगा. ओके, now 4 years ago this is x minus 4 and this is also 4 less, so we can get 16 minus x. Okay, according to question the product of their ages means first friend age and this is second friend age multiply is equal to 48. Solve for x, so we got quadratic equations. Okay, here comparing the quadratic equation, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20 and c is equal to 112. Now find the discriminant. So we got the value minus 48. So this is not possible कि इसके आंसर आए. So this situation is not possible, we can say easily. Okay. Now question number 5. Now question number 5 is again, is it possible to design rectangular park, parameter ho 80 and area become 400? Let me check. Here we can say let suppose L is a length and breadth is a B. So parameter become 2 into L plus B. But according to question, 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. This is 80. Okay. Now when we divide by 2, so we got L plus B is equal to 40. Okay. Suppose B is 40 minus L. This is the value of B. Okay. So here the value of B is equal to 40 minus L. Then area is equal to, what is the area of rectangular? So area of rectangular is L into B. Okay. So area of rectangular is equal to L into B. Here L is equal to L and B की value कितनी आई? 40 minus L. Now solve. So we got 40L minus L square. Now according to question, this is equal to 400. So we have to make a quadratic equation. That is L square minus 40L plus 400 is equal to 0. Now again compared to the quadratic equation, so we got A is equal to 1, B is equal to 40 and C is equal to 400. Okay. Now find the discriminant. Means B square minus 4AC. So that is 0. So we can say easily they have equal roots and hence the situation is possible for roots of these equations we find. So here we can say we got the value of B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. So there is a equal roots we have to find. Now रूट्स ऑफ इक्वेशन यूजिंग द क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला मीन्स फॉर्मूला मेथड जो अपन पीछे सीख चुके हैं, दैट इज माइनस बी प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ abc. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. सो वी गॉट ओनली n is equal to minus 2b. L is equal to minus b upon 2a. Now put the value of b and a in this equation. So we got L is equal to 20. So we can say easily that length of part B 20 and breadth 40 minus L means this is also 20. Okay.